everyone, this is Dolly from JD Life. Today I brought a hair care product. This is a clinic treatment. The brand name is Modoru Hair Rejuvenating Solution. Rejuvenate and restore damaged hair. Long-lasting, active treatment. This product comes in a 500ml bottle. The bottle itself is really strong plastic. The color is dark red and black. You can read the descriptions only in Korean. The solution has a slightly yellow ecru color. It's not too thick, so it's easy to apply onto the hair. Also, it does not stick into the hair, so it's easy to wash it off. I chose this product because, honestly, I always had problem with my hair. It always looks messy. I always search for some hair oil or hair mist or some new type of product that could fix my problem. It's not exactly a treatment product. This is a clinic treatment product, so this is more professional. First of all, my hair condition. My hair is not exactly straight and not wavy either. It's in between, which is, I think, the worst. Even if I try to straighten my hair, it still has a bit of wave, so I cannot really get rid of that. Beside of this, I dye my hair every month, so it causes some sort of damage for my hair. My hair is lack of nourishment and it's dry, dehydrated. Usually when I purchase shampoo or treatment, I choose the one with argan oil or something that can strengthen my hair. Because of this damaged condition, as I have mentioned before, it's really hard to style my hair. It's really hard to keep that result. And if you also have this kind of hair condition, you need to find a good shampoo, treatment, hair oil, good products that will strengthen and nourish your hair. About this Modoru hair clinic treatment, this is used in more than 8,000 hair salons in Korea. They started 15 years ago, but so far they only sell their product to hair salons. However, since last year, you as customer can also purchase it online. Personally, I do hair clinic in a hair salon about 2 or 3 times a year, and it takes about 10 minutes until they wash my hair with special clinic products. And after they dry it and I leave the hair salon, my hair is really soft and really shiny, and I can see that my hair is more nourished. For a few weeks only, it repairs my hair, but it's much easier if I have the product at home with me and I can use it about once a week or just once or twice a month. About the effects, this product will highly enrich your hair with protein. Your hair will improve, strengthen, it will appear more soft and smooth. Also, you can experience that your hair is more shiny and more hydrated. I didn't do anything special to my hair. I use a regular shampoo and I use a regular treatment before, and I just dried it. I had a ponytail before, so there might be a bit of curl in my hair, but other than that, it's just its natural form. First, you need to shampoo your hair. The best if you choose a professional clinic shampoo that hair salons are also using during a clinic hair treatment. However, just a regular shampoo is also fine. Now I'm also using just regular shampoo that you can buy in Olive Young or any drugstore. The second step is that you rinse out the shampoo thoroughly from your hair and towel dry it. After it's done, you can start using the clinic treatment. However, first I prefer to use my hairbrush. This is a Tangle Teaser, which you might know already. You can use it for dry hair and for wet hair as well. If I use the brush, my hair will be more smooth, so the treatment can soak into my hair more evenly. So now it's done, I can start applying on the clinic treatment. Although I have short hair, but I have a lot, so usually I need more product. I apply this amount for my hair. I need to apply on the treatment evenly. And after you applied it on evenly everywhere except for your roots, then you need to massage your hair for about 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, you need to rinse your hair with lukewarm water, get rid of all the residue from your hair. You can brush it, towel dry it, and you can go and dry your hair. I didn't use any ironing or curling machine. Some extra information: if you dye your hair at home, you can put 10% of this clinic treatment into the dyeing solution. So if you experience that the hair dyeing product makes your hair really dry and frizzy, this kind of clinic treatment can be a solution for you. Also, I would especially recommend this product not only if you have some special event to attend to, but right before you would use ironing or curling machine. Also, if you dye your hair or you have a perm, you don't need to be afraid because it will not cause any bad effect for your hair. So if you have a perm and you use this product, you will not experience that your curly perm, for example, gets straightened. Altogether, I am using many different kind of treatments, treatments that I need to wash off, treatments that I don't need to wash off and just leave it in my hair. I use hair mist and hair oils, but among all of them, if I have really dry hair or it feels more damaged or frizzy or it has lack of shine, I always use this treatment and it can solve all my problems. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this product, you can watch it below. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye!